Jeffrey Benson's psychological levels explained. Jeffrey Benson's psychological level explained in the Forex market with Trader Nixon. Guys, pay attention. Psychological levels made Jeffrey Benson rich. He made him a millionaire. Psychological levels have changed the way I trade, have changed my approach to price action. But let's build it up from here. Then we talk about Jeffrey Benson's approach. What is basically psychological levels? My psychology, your psychology was psychology. What are psychological levels? Now, psychological levels are round figures in the Forex market. If you ask me, I've done a video, I'm releasing episodes of how to trade from beginner to pro for free on TikTok and on my YouTube, right? Now, what do we trade in Forex market? I taught my listeners, my viewers, that we trade price. That's all we trade. We trade. So the candlesticks that you see are just representation of price. Just representation of price. So when you visit the Forex market, especially, every Forex currency pair that you see round prices, round figures, right? So let's take GBP USD for example. You could see 1.000, 1.5, 1.1500, 1 point this, 1 point that, 1 point, you get me? Round numbers, 1.200, 1.2000, 1 point, you get what I mean? So these are psychological levels. Let me give you an example. When you go to the market and you want to buy something, and then the thing is costing, let's say, $25 and 33.2 cents, you are like, what the hell is happening? Can I buy this for like $24? It's a round number. Can I buy this for like $25? Round number. When you go to the boutique, you want to get yourself some shirt, you want to get yourself some dress, you're like, how much is this one? This one is going for 1,223.3.5, like crazy figures. Like, this is not a round number. But then you'll be like, hell, fuck this shit. I wanna get this at 1,200. Psychological figure, right? I want to get this at 1,000. Psychological figure, round number, round figure, right? So basically, psychological levels are round figures in the Forex market. What do we trade in the Forex market? We trade price. And so it is just psychological that when you go to the market, you want to buy things around round numbers. And so in the Forex market, it's just simple that when you want to buy something in the Forex market, people are really interested psychologically. They want to buy things around figures, right? So in the Forex market, you see that a candle just dropped to 1.3500 on GU and then retested around that area. Went to that price and gave us a huge wick on that price. It's a psychological error. So people feel like, okay, we need to buy here now. People feel like, oh, we need to buy around 1.3500. We need to buy, especially those, stakeholders, I call them, that like buying around psychological areas are the big banks, the bigger institutions that slap their money in the Forex market, right? So these people like to place sell limits. They don't go and place buy, right? Like market order buy. No, they don't do that. They like to place sell limits, buy stops, sell stops, and all those things. So right, they can place their buy stop at 1.3500, right? 1.3500, 1.3200, 1.3550. These are psychological areas. They will place their buy stops, sell stops, and all that. Now, that is psychological levels explained. Now let's go to the charts and I'll explain to you there as well. Let's go. So guys, these are psychological levels can be mapped out on the chart. So this is GBP USD. I'm on the 4H. As you guys can see it, I'm on the 4H. So basically, these are you can um, map out psychological levels accurately. So let's start. So let's say we want to map out 1.34 thousand on GU. We send this horizontal to them. We double tap on the horizontal line. So we click on settings. So we want to set our psychological area to 1.34 thousand. So you just enter that figure and you can see it there. So currently price is not there, but let's set it to where price has already been. Let's say um, 31,500. You can just put this anywhere on the chart and then set it to 31,500. See, what can we see here? We saw that price came to 31,500, retraced a bit to the downside and broke through, came and respected it, and then I don't even need to talk much. These psychological levels, right? These are psychological levels in the market. So let's do 1.32 thousand. If you all can see this area, CV, this area, what happened there? See what happened here. So basically, these are how psychological levels work in the forex market. These psychological levels, it works like magic. So assuming let's go down to the 1 hour time frame and then we see market activity there. You see what happened around these psychological areas, right? See what happened here and all that. So basically, these are psychological areas in the market. My name is Trader Nixon, and this is how Jeffrey Benson is able to use psychological levels to make tons amount of money in the forex market. Basically, this is how he's able to do that. He knows how these things work like magic, and he's used these tools to make a million before, more than a million. Like he's very rich right now, and these tools have really worked for me. Somebody say, why haven't you marked it on your chart? Because I know they work. So wherever I have price action going on, I just use this cursor to find whether there's psychological level there. I just don't plot them anymore, but I am still able to what spot them. Right? We see that market broke through and then came into the psychological level, giving us a price action of an evening star right here, and then market went all the way up again. So you could just buy from here comfortably from here. Stop loss could be around 50 pips, and then your TP could be around 100 pips or more, right? And so these are psychological levels work in the forex market. You see, this place we respected it, then we saw bullish engulfing here. Take this trade. Stop loss could be around 35 pips, 30 pips, and then you could make awesome amount here like this. It's just simple. So, guys, these are psychological levels work in the forex market. How Jeff is able to make millions, and how I've learned this from him, and how it's helped my trading so far. My name is Shoda Nixon again. I'm out.